in Indiana, Decatur, Johnson, Morgan, Rush, and Shelby. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 p.m. Wednesday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total sleet and snow accumulations in excess of 3 inches and ice accumulations of up to 1/10 of an inch. The areas affected include portions of central, south central, southeast, southwest, and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected from 7 p.m. Wednesday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be very difficult. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for Indiana can be obtained by calling 1-800-261-7623. Here is a winter weather statement. For the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Madison, Marion, and Tipton. Winter storm warning remains in effect from 7 a.m. Wednesday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. A brief period of sleet and freezing rain followed by heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations in excess of 7 inches and ice accumulations of a light glaze. The areas affected include portions of central, east central, and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected from 7 a.m. Wednesday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday.